Good day everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to share Deep Uninstall feature of Microsoft PC Manager, and it is really very handy, very useful, and I'll tell you why we should use it. So once you have installed this Microsoft PC Manager, you will see a window like this where you can boost, you can do the deep cleanup, you can check the startup time, you can also do the health check. In the protection tab, you can scan, you can go for the Windows update, you can taskbar, you can repair the taskbar, you can check the network. In storage, you can do the deep cleaning, you can check the storage sense, and in app section, you will find deep uninstall. Uninstall apps, remove leftovers and registries. Once I click on that, you will see a lot of things here. And the reason why I check this, because this is the only and great way, not only way, but a perfect way to uninstall unnecessary extra softwares. Like I'm using a Samsung laptop, and I have the Samsung cloud service, and I do not want the widgets, right? I do not want this whiteboard, or like you can uninstall whatever you do not want to use it. So this is the Galaxy Book Smart Switch and Samsung Cloud Bluetooth Sync. So in your case, you will also find a lot of unwanted apps. However, before uninstalling anything, you should check whether it is useful or not, and then you can use this feature. Now this deep uninstall will actually help you a lot if you have a running short of storage, if your system is running slow and you want more space in your computer. You can go with this deep uninstall and free up space and make your PC faster. And any which way you can optimize your computer, you just need to spend few minutes here in Microsoft PC Manager, and you will be able to do a lot of things which is very good for the PC. So you can try this, and if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.